covers is a generalist with a focus on industrials and energy. Welcome.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Let's get things started. Question number one. Investors may generally think of industrials as a sector without much innovation. What do you think about that? And are you seeing any innovation in your space?
Yeah, industrials can get a bit of a bad reputation for being a bit boring. I would really strongly disagree with that. I think there's two main ways to think about innovation within industrials. So first, there's absolutely innovation happening at the sector level, but especially in small cap, it tends to be a bit more behind the scenes and maybe not make as big of a splash as some of the other stuff we're hearing about today. But second, there's a whole lot of innovation happening in the manufacturing sector that is actually enabling some of the other innovation that we're hearing about today. So to start with the former, you may have heard something on the news about forever chemicals. There are a lot of them. PFAS, bisphenols. These are technologically advanced chemicals that by design don't break down easily in the environment. They're in all kinds of products that make our lives easier. Because they don't break down easily, they can end up in our water supply, which presents a huge problem for our health. Companies that are innovating and figuring out how to sequester and eliminate these chemicals from the water, that is happening almost exclusively in the small cap space. And I'll give one more example. In the small cap space, we're seeing a lot of innovation in plastics and plastic recycling. Companies are ramping up commercialization of processes to depolymerize polyethylene and polypropylene into monomers, the basic building blocks. They're then going to remove any odors, contaminants, organic material, and then repolymerize those monomers into what is called virgin quality plastic. And we're getting really, really close to a perfectly circular economy within plastics, which is really, really exciting.
Wow. What about innovation happening at the factory level? Are you seeing much of that?
Right. Okay. So that's the second group of innovation that I mentioned. So innovation in that manufacturing processes is what is enabling a lot of the innovation that we're seeing in healthcare and in technology. So think about 3D printing or additive manufacturing. This technology can create complex designs that would be really difficult with traditional manufacturing processes. It's made it possible to manufacture products more quickly and at a lower cost and with greater precision, allowing for more customizable products. And that has opened up entire industries in 3D prosthetics, orthodontics, aerospace, and automotive parts. Or the classic one is robotics. Robotic technology has come a really long way, with today's robotics being smaller, with advanced sensors, with artificial intelligence, enabling them to perform tasks with even greater precision and accuracy. It can reduce costs and produce products quicker and with greater precision. And then lastly, there's advanced process control and predictive maintenance. And these sound really boring, but what it allows you to do is monitor equipment in real time and schedule maintenance before that maintenance is needed, which lowers downtime and overall effectiveness in the plant. And these innovations is what is allowing a lot of the innovation that we're seeing in other sectors.
Fantastic. Thank you. You helped write part of the white paper around innovation in energy. How do you think about the changes in renewable energy and how to approach it from a portfolio management perspective?
Yeah, so the renewable energy space is changing really rapidly. And within the small cap space, we have generally avoided certain technologies. But, the namesake technology would be solar. The cost of solar has come down 90 to 95% over the last decade. But most of the companies that are participating in utility scale solar are too large for Emerald to participate in. And so what we like to do is take what we call a picks and shovels approach, where we're trying to find suppliers to these companies so that it doesn't matter which of the solar panel companies wins, we're invested in a company that supplies to all of them.
Very good. Win-win.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, great. We don't want to take up too much of your time. Thank you for your perspective.
Thank you.
Get back to enjoying Groundhog Day. It's very insightful. If you'd like to revisit this clip or some of our other clips, please visit our website at www.teamemerald.com. Thank you.